Hello students, in this video I am solving 10.4 exercise, okay, question number 5. Okay, the statement is very long, that's why I am not writing here. Okay, I just read it now. So the question is that beta, three girls Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5. Okay, Reshma throw a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. If distance between Reshma and Salma is 6, what is distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So if I draw the diagram, you will get this one. Okay, we have a circular park. Okay, so if I use one more marker, so this is the place of Reshma, R for Reshma. This is the place for Salma. It is the place for Mandeep. Okay, so Reshma throw the ball to Salma and Salma to Mandeep, and distance between Reshma and Salma is 6, and this is also 6, and it is the center. Okay, if I take this as center, I have to find this distance. Okay, so it is also given that the radius is the how much? 5. Yes, the radius is the 5. So if I draw radius here, I will get this as 5, this as 5. Okay, now you get the picture very clear. Okay, so we have to find RM. So first of all, we need the length of RM. So it is a very basic question. Okay, first of all we will join it. Okay, these. Okay, take this as center O. We draw the perpendicular bisector from the center. Okay, and here also. You know that in the circle, the perpendicular bisector from the center to the chord bisect it. It means that this part and this part will be bisected. If the full is 6, then this will be 3 and this will be also 3. Okay, get my point? Now in the right angle triangle, this will be right angle triangle. Okay, if I take this point M, okay, then ORM. So we have a triangle ORM, which is a right angle triangle. Okay, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we will use the Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, it is the perpendicular. Okay, so OR square is equal to OM square plus RM square. So you will get OM square is equal to 16 and OM is 4 centimeter. What is meter? Okay, now this is the 4 meter. Now look at the diagram again. Okay, we have triangle ORS, where RS is the base and OM is the height. So I can say that the area of triangle ORS is equal to half base into height. So my base is RS and my height is OM. So what I get? I get half into 4 into 6. I get here 12 centimeter. Okay, so now again why the triangle? So beta see, now I am looking the triangle from this side, but if I look the triangle from this side, I can take OS as base, and this as height. So I can take this point as L. Okay, so I can take this like in triangle ORS, I can take OS as base and RL as height. So I need RL also, because we need na RM. So RM is equal to 2 times RL. It is clear from figure, because this bisect the given chord into two parts. You can check na, my RM is also chord, and theorem says that the perpendicular from the center bisect. So this perpendicular bisect them into two equal parts. Okay, so I get here the area is equal to half RL into OS is equal to, area remains same because we have found the area here also, is equal to 12. So we get the value of RL, half into RL we need, and OS, we know that OS is my radius. OS is my radius na, and my radius is how much? 5. Okay, so RL is equal to 24 by 5. 24 by 5. Okay, I hope you get this concept. RL is 24 by 5, but we need RM, so we will multiply with 2. So RM, I will do it here. Okay, so RM is equal to 2 times 24 by 5. Okay, you can multiply them, you will get the answer. So my answer is 48 by 5. Okay, understand? Thank you very much. Okay, now next question is question number 6. You can read. Okay, we have a circular park of radius 20 meter. Radius is 20 meter. Okay, and 3 boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary. Each have a toy telephone in his hand to talk. Find the length of string. So what we do here, so we will first of all make a circle again. Okay, 3 friends are sitting on the boundary. So one is here, one is here, and one is here. Okay, so they are making a triangle. Okay, sorry, this one I have to make a straight one line. Okay, now the question is that the radius is 20, the R is 20. So this I take as radius R, this I take as 20. But if I extend this line, okay, if I take A, B and C and D, my AD act as a median. Now what is median, beta? So if in a triangle, okay, this line and this line, these lines are the bisector. Bisector means which bisect the opposite line. I mean to say that if I draw, like if I have a triangle, okay, and this line, this perpendicular, if bisect the opposite line, this will act as a median. Okay, now if I draw lines this also and this also, this will be my orthocenter. Where all the medians are intersect, that point is called orthocenter. Okay, so as you know that in our circle system, okay, this BC act as a chord and it is my center, so this will be bisect equally na. So in simple way, this is my median, and there is one more property in the median na, beta, where all medians are intersect na, they will cut in the ratio of 2:1. It means that this point bisect the AD into the ratio 2:1. 2:1. If this is 20, this will be 10. This will be 10. Okay, these are the basic points which are not in your syllabus. Okay, but please take this as assumption that we are taking this as a median, and the center point bisect median into ratio 2:1. Okay, so 20 and 10. Okay, now the given side AB, take this as x, and the BC is also x, and AC is also x, but then this BD will be x by 2. Okay, now we need the value of x. Okay, so what we do here, we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. This will become, okay, x square is equal to 20 square plus x by 2 square. Okay, solve it, you will get the value of x. I will not do. Okay, now you just solve it, you will get value of x. Thank you very much.